The Vivax Metrotech VM-810 and VM-850. They look very similar, so what's the difference? Well, it's not only the price or the model number, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Royce Kemp with Indepth Utility Solutions. In this video, we're going to go over the similarities and the differences of the VM-810 and VM-850 utility line locator. The VM-810 and the VM-850 utility line locators look very similar. In fact, I bet you have a hard time telling the differences right now. But before we go over what makes them different, let's go over what makes them similar. Let's jump into it. Both receivers are made with high impact thermoplastic injection molding with a retractable aluminum antenna tube, which makes them lightweight. The receivers are designed with a single button operation and has a display of 2.7 inch with a backlight. Both receivers use distance sensitive left-right guidance with the compass indicator and an audio guidance tone to match the left-right's guidance display. The VM-810 and the VM-850 receivers have both line and SON modes with a gain which is fully automatic and reads depth and current measurement. Both receivers have 3 peak antennas, 1 compass antenna, and they both operate on 2 D-cell alkaline batteries which can run for 65 hours with intermittent use at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go over the similarities between the VM-810 and the VM-850 transmitter. Both transmitters are made with high impact thermoplastic injection molding. They both have high and low output control and speaker volume control. Both the VM-810 and the VM-850 transmitters can do induction, direct connect, or induction clamp modes, and they have protection up to 240 volt AC output. Now before we go over the differences in the two line locator kits, I would like to have a few words about frequencies. Using the correct frequencies makes a big difference in line locating. Size, depth, the type of material, amount of congestion, and what you're trying to achieve need to be considered. For example, a large diameter pipe with bell housing ends, which require a gasket, would require high frequency. Whereas a small diameter, well grounded or long distance conductor, such as a cable or pipeline, would work better with a lower frequency in most cases. Also, when choosing between the VM-810 and the VM-850, you need to ask yourself, what type of work will I be doing? Are you a contractor trying to avoid anything and everything, and you don't know where any of the other utilities have been buried? Then a high frequency locator may be a better choice for you. Or are you trying to isolate one utility from other utilities close by? Then a lower frequency may be best. Now with all that said, let's go over the differences in the two utility line locators. The VM-810 receiver and transmitter uses a frequency at 83.1 kilohertz. This is considered a high frequency utility line locator. The VM-810 transmitter is powered off 6 D-cell alkaline batteries. It has 2 power settings, 1/3 of a watt and 1 watt. It has a maximum current output power of 150 milliamps up to 60 volts and can run greater than 60 intermittent hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit at 1 watt. The VM-850 receiver and transmitter uses a frequency of 9.82 kilohertz for locating, which is a medium frequency utility line locator. As you can see, the VM-850's 2 bottom peak antennas are larger than the VM-810's 2 bottom peak antennas. The VM-850 transmitter is powered by a lithium-ion battery. It has 2 power settings, 1/2 of a watt and 2 watts. Its maximum output power is 400 milliamps up to 60 volts and can run 40 hours intermittently at 70 degrees Fahrenheit at 2 watts. The VM-810 and the VM-850 utility line locators are simple, intuitive, efficient, accurate, and compact. The simple operation makes it a great locator for the novice as well as the experienced user. Most anyone can pick one up and start using it in a short amount of time. Although these locators are similar, you'll want to make sure you purchase the right utility line locator for the right application. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. In the comment section, let us know what other videos that would be helpful. In the description below, we're going to leave a link to our website so that you can find more information on the VM-810 and the VM-850 kit and other products that we sell.